Alright, so this is the number of students who oppose. I'm sorry that I have an unhappy camper in the back, if you can hear her upset. Now that's probably all you're going to be focusing on. Excuse me. So number of students who oppose the new parking lot. So in this case, P is 0.7, just like before. That's the probability that someone opposes it. And then N is out of 20 people. So what's the probability that all 20 oppose the new lot? So this is the probability that all 20. So this is going to be 20, choose 20, 0.7 to the 20, and then 0.3 to the none, because no one opposes it. Now technically you don't even have to do this because there's only one way that we can say everyone opposes it. There's no multiple ways that that can happen. So really this ends up being one way that this can happen. 0.3 to the 0 is just 1. So really we're just doing the 0.7 to the 20, which is approximately 0. Find the probability that at least 15. So this is going to be the probability that 15 or more oppose the new lot. So this is going to be the probability that x equals 15 plus the probability that x equals 16, all the way to the probability that all 20 of them. So since CDF starts counting at 0 and counts up from there, we're going to do 1 minus the probability that x is less than or equal to 14, because we do not want to include this. So here we can binomial CDF, N, which is 20, P, which is 0.7, our K now is 14. Subtract it from 1, and we get 1 minus 0.5836, which is really 0.4164. Here, no more than 10. That would be no more than 10 would be that the people who oppose it is less than or equal to 10. So here we can just do binomial CDF. We're doing probably that x equals 0, x equals 1, all the way up to x equals 10. So once again, at the beginning, we really always need to write that formula to generalize. So I have my P written up here. I have my N. Not a bad idea if you're going to use that letter Q to write it down, even though it's pretty much understood that if you know P, you know Q. So here, go through, binomial CDF, don't have to do anything fancy, and we should get 0.0480. Please check that this is what you got. Now this one's a little bit tricky, so between 10 and 15 inclusive, so this is going to be that the number of people who oppose it is between 10 and 15. So it's going to be the probability that x equals 10, plus probability that x equals 11, all those up to the probability that x equals 15. So now if we wanted to do, we could do all of the probabilities separately and add them together, or we could really do the probability that x is less than or equal to 15. Now that's going to include all the way from 0 to 15. So if I don't want to include 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or 10, I can subtract the probability that x is less than or equal to 9. And if I have that, now I can do binomial CDF here and here, because we're talking about multiple probabilities. So we get 0.76. Oops, sorry, 0.7625 minus 0.0171, and that is 0.7454. Alright, so of course we're going to be spending more time practicing this over days to come here. The last one, I would like you guys to try this one out on your own, help each other out, and then I will write down all of the answers for you. I want you guys to be able to fill in the blanks, and then we can answer any questions that you guys have tomorrow. So I hope you guys have a fantastic afternoon, and I will see you tomorrow.